Hello, my wonderful busy homemakers. Today, I am trying an experiment, and I am working with hot chocolate bombs. I'm going to make them for the first time, and I've got a cat over here, but you can't see her, but she's in the middle of the hallway. I heard her walk in because she knows something good is cooking. Now, for the hot chocolate bombs, you need the silicone tray for them. This will make 3 bombs because you got a top and a bottom, top and a bottom, top and a bottom. That makes 3. By the way, did you notice you're back in the kitchen with Deb, and this is the prep and show for the hot chocolate bombs. Okay, so we got the silicone tray. You need peppermints from Christmas, of course, and hot cocoa mix. And most of all, you want chocolate chips, because the first thing you want to do is melt them in a ceramic bowl. And I go in 30-second intervals, and mine took about 2 minutes depending on how much chocolate you need. Now, I took some already out of here, but you get the idea. This is what it looks like. You put a dollop of the chocolate in, and you scoop it on all the sides. Scoop it up and down. Now, some of these have a hole in them because you don't want to be too thin with the chocolate, but you don't want to be too thick either. This was too thin. This is the first time I'm trying it. But we're still going to salvage that and use that. So, this is what they look like. You heat the chocolate chips. Mix it very well. You don't want any lumps in there. No lumps. And wait till you see the other ingredient we're going to put in it. So, no lumps. Now, once these are all set with you've got all your chocolate in it. And apparently my cookie tray's talking over here. Okay. But anyway, remember, you don't want to be too stingy with the chocolate. You want it a little bit thick because you don't want to get the holes. Because these got to go in the freezer to freeze for half an hour. That's where my hole came from. It oozed down. So you want to make sure you got enough there. Now, this is very easy to get out. See how easy it comes right out? And I wanted to show you that. You just basically are just kind of turning it inside out. Super easy. Super easy to get out after it's been in the freezer for 30 minutes. And I would take it out. I'm taking this out cold. All right, now you take your 3 best bottoms. You see what I mean? Sometimes they fall apart when you're first trying it. Okay, I got my 3 best bottoms. Now, I'm going to make sure you can see. I am going to put in the hot cocoa mix. I have the hot cocoa mix here. I got a spoonful of that. I'm going to stick it into each of the 3 bombs. I'm doing like just 1 teaspoon. You could. Oh, the silicone molds come in sizes. I want to say this is a 1.5 inch. If you want a lot of hot chocolate and a lot of taste, I'm going to go ahead and recommend that you get a bigger size. Get the wider size. I'm going to add, I'm going to say almost 2 teaspoons of hot cocoa mix here. Almost 2. Okay. Now, I've got crushed peppermints. I already crushed them. I crushed them with my meat tenderizer for you guys that don't have a chopper. Or you can use even a hammer. Put them in a plastic bag like I do sometimes. Into that plastic bag and just whack away the bag with it closed. And it works. Oh gosh, this peppermint is so fresh. It smells so good. Now, I bought sprinkles. I've got white snowflakes, green snowflakes. I've got dark green like the sugar, the red sugar. Got red and white. This is all from my Christmas cookies. I bought extra. Now, I also got here, these are snowflakes. I mixed the red and the green together. And there's the snowflake sprinkles. And I'm putting them on top of the chocolate bombs. Now, okay, there is a trick. I hope this plate is still warm, and it's not. I gotta go slip this back in the microwave. You want to put a small plate in the microwave for... Sorry about the microwave, ladies, but you want to put a small tray in the microwave, or a small plate, just for at least a minute or 30 seconds, because you want to be able to get the chocolate bombs to close. You want a closed chocolate bomb. You don't want it open. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little hot chocolate, put it on top of the sprinkles, a little bit more. I'm going to try and use it out here. So far this is one hot chocolate pouch for 3 cocoa bombs. And I can't remember if it's 1 inch or a 2-inch mold offhand. Okay, let's see if that plate's done. Hopefully that's hot enough. Let's see. Now what you do, you want to take the tray. Oh, it's hot enough. See how it's melting? You want to melt it a little bit, because this is what's going to seal your hot cocoa bomb. Okay, that one's sealed. You want a hot plate because you want to melt the chocolate so that it seals up. And then you stick it on top. And melt the last one a little bit. I would say go a minute on the plate to get it to seal. It's sealing, but what I am going to do, now I have them made. I'm putting them back in here because I'm going to hit every other container. Now, you can put frosting on top and then put more peppermint and more sprinkles. But right now, this is ready. I'm going to go put this back into the freezer for about 15 minutes because I want this to seal. And then you take them out and your chocolate bombs are ready to go. If you don't want to decorate them. If you want to decorate them, then go ahead and decorate them with a little frosting and then put your sprinkles on top, making it look really cute. But this is where I'm going to stop today, ladies. This is my experiment for the day. I'm going to put that in the refrigerator because I am dying to try this later. I am really looking forward to this. This is going to be my afternoon treat. So that is how you make hot cocoa bombs. And I hope you try it too. Don't forget, invite your friends. Jump into Deb's Decorator Life Tips and Inspiration so that they can also share and get this recipe too. And I will see you in the group. Thanks, ladies. Bye. Okay, my busy homemakers. This is what the hot cocoa bombs look like. This is what they turned out. Now, I've got a cup of hot milk here. I'm going to go ahead, stick the hot cocoa bomb in. Woo! It is hot. Now, you stir it. You can see everything's coming out. We've got the sprinkles, the chocolate. Ooh, this is looking good. You can see it's turning into hot chocolate mix easily. Now, I'm doing an experiment. I'm doing one with water, and I'm going to do one with the hot milk. Now your sprinkles most likely aren't going to melt. They melted a little, but not a lot. Ah! I'm spilling it. Okay. Ooh, does this look good? If you can see that. So I can get a sip of it. This one's going to be mine. It's got little white, I don't know if you could see them, but it's got like little white, the snowflakes in them. Let's try this. Oh my God, is that good? Now that is good. I didn't think it would be that good, but it is. I love it in the milk. Now, all right, ladies, now I've got hot water in here. We're going to try it with the hot water now. Let's grab the cocoa bomb. Put it in. We're going to see which one tastes better. Woo! Tastes better. Now, one thing I will tell you, when you put the hot water in, I noticed right away, allow room for expansion. It really expands, or you're going to be making a mess. But you can see, it's getting thick and rich, and this one's really chocolatey. And I'm mixing it real good, and you can see the sprinkles coming up to the top, the snowflake sprinkles. Now, for the taste test, let's see which one tastes better. Oh, chocolate's not melted yet, but I want to get the chocolate melted a little bit more at the bottom. This one I will say, in the hot water, it looks darker. It makes the chocolate more darker. The other one gives like when you put it in the milk, it gives like a milk chocolate, the lighter color. All right, here goes. Here's the taste test. Let's see which one's better. This one's a little bit mintier. But for all experiment purposes, the one with the milk is my favorite. But you try them both and see what you think. And that's my hot chocolate bomb experiment, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!